The Greatest Badminton Legends, Part 2. Badminton has produced legendary players whose skills, passion, and achievements have defined the sport across generations. From Olympic champions to world number ones, these icons have left an unforgettable mark on courts worldwide. Their stories reflect excellence, resilience, and the spirit of competition. This tribute celebrates 42 of the greatest badminton legends of all time. 21. Gong Jichao, 1977. China's Gong Jichao won Olympic gold in 2000 and was a world champion finalist. Her consistency and defensive game defined Chinese women's singles dominance in her era. She retired early but left a big mark. 22. Ha Yiping, 1962 to 2019. Ha Yiping was part of China's dominant women's singles duo with Li Lingwei in the 1980s. She won multiple world championships and was known for her powerful strokes. Her legacy helped establish China as a badminton superpower. 23. Poul Erik Høyer Larsen, 1965. Denmark's Poul Erik won Olympic gold in 1996, becoming the first European man to do so in singles. A tactician on court, he later became BWF president. He symbolizes Europe's highest badminton achievements. 24. Peter Gade, 1976. Peter Gade was a former world number one known for his attacking flair and deception. The Danish star won numerous titles but not a world crown. He was one of the sport's most consistent and respected figures. 25. Ji Xinping, 1977. Ji Xinping surprised the world by winning Olympic gold in 2000, China's first in men's singles. Though not a top favorite, he peaked at the right time. His victory paved the way for future Chinese men's success. 26. Judy Devlin, 1935 to 2024. American-Irish legend Judy Devlin dominated women's singles and doubles in the 1950s and 60s. She won 10 All-England titles in singles alone. Devlin was one of the greatest pre-modern era players. 27. Park Ju-bong, 1964. Korea's Park Ju-bong is considered one of the best doubles players in history. He won numerous world and All-England titles in both men's and mixed doubles. Later, he became a successful coach for Japan's national team. 28. Morten Frost Hansen, 1958. Denmark's Morten Frost was a dominant force in the 1980s, reaching 4 world championship finals. His calm style and strategic game earned him the nickname Mr. Badminton. He was a European legend of consistency. 29. Kim Moon-soo, 1963. Kim Moon-soo won Olympic gold in men's doubles, 1992, and multiple world titles for South Korea. He formed an iconic partnership with Park Ju-bong. Their synergy defined doubles excellence in the late 80s and early 90s. 30. Lene Koppen, 1953. Denmark's Lene Koppen won both singles and doubles world championships in the late 70s and early 80s. Known for her fierce competitiveness, she remains a trailblazer for European women in badminton. 31. Susi Susanti, 1971. Susi Susanti won Indonesia's first Olympic gold medal, 1992, in women's singles. Renowned for her stamina and court coverage, she brought pride to her country. She's a national icon and badminton heroine. 32. Lin Dan, 1983. Lin Dan is widely regarded as the greatest badminton player of all time, with 2 Olympic golds and 5 world titles. His rivalry with Lee Chong-wei defined an era. Nicknamed Super Dan, he inspired millions globally. 33. Li Lingwei, 1964. China's Li Lingwei dominated women's badminton in the 1980s with her tactical brilliance. She won multiple world championships and inspired generations. After retiring, she played a major role in sports administration. 34. Lee Zuodi, 1991. Lee Zuodi won Olympic gold in 2012 and was known for her aggressive and quick play. She held world number 1 ranking for over 2 years. Injuries cut short her prime years, but she remains one of China's greats. 35. Lim Swee King, 1956. Indonesian legend Lim Swee King was famous for his jumping smashes and power. He won multiple All-England titles and was runner-up in several world championships. His playing style influenced many future stars. 36. Kento Momota, 1994. Japan's Kento Momota was world number 1 and two-time world champion before a car crash briefly halted his career. Known for his tactical mind and defense, he led Japan's resurgence in men's singles. His comeback efforts are still ongoing. 37. Victor Axelsen, 1994. Danish superstar Victor Axelsen is an Olympic 2020 and world champion 2017-2022. Towering and fast, he combines power with precision. He is the face of European dominance in the modern era. 38. Kunlavit Wittadzan, 2001. Thailand's Kunlavit Wittadzan is a rising star and 2023 world champion. A former multiple-time junior world champion, his mature game belies his age. He represents the new generation of elite players. 39. Shi Yuqi, 1996. Shi Yuqi of China is known for his explosive power and mental toughness. He has reached World Championship and All England finals. As a top 10 player, he continues China's strong presence in men's singles. 40. Jonathan Christie, 1997. Indonesia's Jonathan Christie won Asian Games gold in 2018 and is known for his agility and charisma. A strong singles contender, he's part of Indonesia's new elite. His on-court spirit excites fans. 41. An Se-young, 2002. South Korea's An Se-young is a prodigious women's singles talent, winning multiple titles before age 22. Her consistency and calmness make her a formidable opponent. She's considered the future of women's badminton. 42. Wang Jie, 2000. China's Wang Jie is an emerging women's singles star with sharp technique and growing accolades. She won the 2022 Asian Championships. Wang represents China's strong new generation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.